The Italian word for wisdom is
saggezza,
feminine, plural.
saggezze,
It's derived from the adjective
saggio,
meaning wise, and can be traced back to the Latin sapere, to know, via the French sage.
saggezza,
The expression
con saggezza,
with wisdom is often used with the verbs
parlare,
to speak,
agire,
to act,
gestire,
to deal with, and
vivere.
to live.
Il nuovo capo è molto giovane ma parla con saggezza.
The new boss is very young, but he speaks with wisdom. To say that someone is
Di grande saggezza.
the equivalent of declaring them very wise.
La saggezza degli anziani,
Is how you would say the wisdom of the elderly, whereas
la saggezza dei proverbi,
means the wisdom of the Proverbs. In medical language, wisdom teeth can be referred to as either
denti del giudizio,
literally judgment teeth, or more rarely,
denti della saggezza,
some common synonyms for saggezza include
ragionevolezza,
reasonableness,
buon senso,
common sense,
giudizio, criterio,
judgment, and
senno.
sense, judgment, wits.
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.